This is a very quick video. I have a Microsoft Surface 9 Pro, and the keyboard just stopped working. Everything about it stopped working. There was no light, there was no backlight. I couldn't type, nothing. So anyway, I got a new keyboard, and I'm just going to show you 1, 2, 3 how it sets up and why the Microsoft Surface keyboard is the right keyboard for your Surface. Oh, what do we have today? We have a Microsoft Surface Pro keyboard. My keyboard for my Surface Pro 9 broke. It just stopped working completely. Good news, it was within warranty. So I have received my new Surface Pro keyboard. So let's go ahead and open it. So, by the way, I bought this at Walmart. It was $114. It's new, as best I could tell. So it's a great price, assuming it works and everything else. So it was a reasonable price for a Microsoft keyboard. And the Microsoft keyboard is so much better than using a third party. And I'll tell you why as I open this and put it on. So here we go. Like everything else dealing with Surface, Microsoft does an amazing job in their packaging, and it's as perfect and quality oriented as could be. So here's the keyboard, and it has a little Copilot button on it. So as easy as I believe this is, let's try it. So we have back here, these are the magnetic connectors. And why did I say what I said about the Microsoft keyboard? It's that when it is connected, it just pairs with the Surface. There's going to be some glare, I'm sorry. But it pairs with the Surface, which is awesome. And on top of pairing with it, it also keeps it charged. So you don't have to worry about ever charging it. And it just works. It works well. So let's see what we got. So here's what I'm going to do. And I don't know if you heard that. It's already clicked. And so give me a second here to take a look at it. Let's see if this will work. So, and it is already typing. I don't know if you can see that, but it is working quite well. I'm going to check the lights. All right, so I have the keyboard attached. Everything went fine. I was typing in Word. It worked fine. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Let me make sure the backlight works. And it does. I don't know if you were able to see that, but there is backlighting. It's better than previous backlights I've had. And what I mean by that is the old backlights used to be able to see the lighting underneath all the keys. And on this one, no, you don't. The keys appear to be as tight as could be. So I think that's great. I'm going to look at the system now, the system settings. And let's just make sure it shows everything connected. So the device manager, you won't be able to see this, I don't think. But anyway, the device manager, in fact, shows the Surface HID keyboard. So just to show you, it works just fine. There's no issues at all with it. It connected immediately as soon as I plugged it in. There's nothing else I need to do. It is all paired and everything. And it's everything as advertised. Again, $114 at walmart.com.